Wrathfire Lotus!
Sorry, man. It has been a bit cold. Didn't get you wet.
Huh? My Wrathfire Lotus!
Sorry about that. Let me sanitize this. There is a flu going around. Stay safe out there, wash hands, air out rooms, and don't play with fire, or you'll wet the bed.
How dare you humiliate me! I'll kill you. I swear I'll kill you!
Victor, watch out!
Insect! I'll kill you!
Why won't you listen?
Battle Force! You! Battle Force, unleash! Unleash?
Unleash my ass!
Mortal! You forced my hand! Master Blaze, please lend me your strength! My pupil, what trouble have you caused now? Master, help me! Kill this man! Master Blazes, the legendary Emperor Blaze! You are dead! Don't worry, pupil. A mere Terran. I'll kill him! Kneel now, and I'll ask Master to spare you! Sir Quinn, spare me! I didn't know it was you! Master! You are Champion Sovereign! Why are you? Shut up! He is Terra Prime Anomaly Bureau's Deputy Chief, Victor Quinn. Single-handedly, he subdued 3,000 worlds and ruled the cosmos. His might is so great even celestial emperors dare not look up. 3 years ago, the multiverse's strongest transcenders tried to breach Terra Prime's borders. Take him down! Once we cross this mountain, Terra Prime is ours for the taking! Enough. With a single strike, 3,000 elites were erased. My body shattered instantly. If not for a wisp of my soul fleeing into this ring, I'd be long gone. Sir Quinn, I was so blind. If I had known this wretch crossed you, even with 1,000 lives, I wouldn't dare show up! How is this possible? You have no aura at all! Wretch! You got me on Sir Quinn's bad side! Sir Quinn, just say the word, and I'll clean house. I'll rip his soul out and burn it! Master!
Enough. Terra Prime is a lawful world. Come in and take him.
Secure the area! You are nothing but trash! I am the heir of Blaze!
Cut the crap. Enjoy your 30-year sentence.
Chief Quinn, what about Miss Frost and the others?
Erase all traces of the Transcenders.
Understood. Sage Mechanicus asked me to remind you. Sierra Frost is special. Axel Blaze is just the start. I am afraid stronger foes will come for her.
Understood.
Area secured.
Move out. Wake. You are awake. You slept like a log.
Where are they? I clearly remember. Yeah, where is the fireball? Vic!
He ran. That guy set off a firework. and you two fainted, your bodyguards are useless.
That fireball could knock people away. How could it be a firework?
Technology is advanced now. What firework can't do? Axel Blaze just went abroad, learned some tricks, and fooled you all.
I knew Vic is awesome. He sees right through it. Leon and Shadowstrike are elites. Just a trick. How could it knock them out? This Victor Quinn is definitely lying. Can't stay. Since the crisis is over, you can leave now. I'll wire the money.
Fine. Since Miss Frost doesn't need me, I'll take my leave. That guy will be back anyway. If anything happens, don't blame me.
If he really comes back. No! Vic can go! Sis, that Axel Blaze cycle will definitely return. Besides Vic, who can stop him?
Miss Frost, Axel Blaze is too strong. If he returns, we really can't stop him.
Stop!
Miss Frost, something up.
Personal bodyguard, monthly salary, $1 million. But I have a condition. No inappropriate thoughts. And no meddling in my private life.
Deal.
Yes! Great! Vic is staying! Victor Quinn. Are you really? Sis, is Grandpa losing it? How could he agree to Uncle's idea of you dating Tyler? Tyler's master saved Grandpa's life. Besides, in recent years, the Drakes are huge overseas. Rumor has it, their background is mysterious. How mysterious? More than the braised pork in this hotel. I think. He is just a poser. Sis, let's go home. It is not the time to think about food. We're already here. Can't face Grandpa without meeting him. Victor, come with me. I want you to sabotage this date.
Understood. Sabotage the date.
Do your thing. Just don't kill anyone. Vic, go get him.
Oh my. Mr. Drake, you are a born leader. Sierra is so lucky to be with you.
You flatter me. At least on Terra Prime, overseas. Women lining up for me. Stretch from London.
Absolutely. Mr. Drake is a born prodigy.
Uncle, on to Mr. Drake.
So you're Sierra Frost. Barely possible. Have a seat.
How dare you? What is with this bodyguard? He has no manners. Sierra, is this how you manage your staff? Have you no discipline?
Uncle, times are dangerous. Victor is my bodyguard. I can't leave his side. We're here to eat. What is one more person? Exactly. Mind your own business. You are meddling too much.
Brat, you are marked for death. You are courting disaster today.
Oh? So Tyler's reading his own fortune.
Oh, calm down, Tyler. He is just a fool.
My main target today is Sierra Frost. Endure. Forget it. I am in a good mood. I won't bother with you. The head of the Rothwell clan is my sworn brother. Sierra, do you know what it means to marry me?
I am all ears.
It means the Frost family will be under my protection in this era. I started training at 3, reached foundation at 5, and now I am an S-rank. All over the world. Those who can take my hit are few and far between.
The rank! That is the legendary Celestial Arca!
Sierra, what are you waiting for? Toast to Tyler.
S-rank? Is that impressive?
Who the hell are you? Shut up!
Uncle Gale, Victor is with me. You have no right to scold him. Tyler, if you are just here to show off, then I think we have nothing to talk about.
Stop! Any woman I want has never escaped my grasp.
Some people just love daydreaming.
You chose the hard way, Sierra Frost. Since you won't take the hint, then both of you sisters will be my cultivation vessels. If you come with me quietly, help me cultivate, I can go easy on you.
You sicko! Shameless.
Sierra, just say yes to Tyler. Do you want to see our family wiped out?
Are you crazy? Be his vessel? That is worse than death.
Better you than the Frost family. Tyler is an S-rank. Killing us is like crushing ants. Stop being so selfish.
You made the right choice. Who dares stop me today? You'll die. Get your hands off me. You! How dare you hit me? I am Shrek! I'll make sure your whole family dies without a grave!
Just a rich brat daring to spout nonsense. Wipe out my family, courting death.
Master, brat, you wait! I was publicly humiliated in Harbor City! Not only did he insult me, he disrespected the Sanctuary of Sages and threatened to wipe us out! Master, come at once to uphold justice! Brat! Listen up, and listen good. I am the Sanctuary of Sages chosen one. My master is the celestial healer, peerless in medicine. When he arrives, I'll make you beg for death, but find none.
Sanctuary of Sages! Tyler is the Sanctuary's chosen one. No wonder his mentor could join the legendary Central Command as the Deputy Chief's subordinate.
Sierra Frost, mark my words. Because of him, you and your sister will have no way out. Don't worry, I won't let you die easily. I'll personally turn you sisters into slaves to suffer for all eternity. And you, with a few martial arts moves, dare act wild in front of me? You are a fool to challenge me. When my master arrives, even if you are the chosen one, you'll have to kneel and beg for mercy.
Victor, forget us. Get Luna out of here. The Sanctuary. This is my fault.
Who dares to be so bold as to humiliate my sanctuary heir? State your name. Today I shall wipe out your clan to set things right.
Master! You are finally here! It is them! That is Victor Quinn! He insulted and beat me! And trampled on our sanctuary's honor! Master! You must avenge me! Tear them to pieces. Wipe out their clans.
How dare you! Today I'll use your blood to honor the sanctuary! Die!
It is over! The Frost family is done for!
Sierra Frost, you slut!
Master Sage, this is all my fault. Leave them out of this. Do what you will. Take me instead. Let them go.
It has been years. You are the first to dare stand before me. Old cripple. Long time no see. You've got quite the ego now. What? Don't you recognize me?
Sir, we only heal the sick. We never took sides. Please spare us.
For your healing legacy, I'll spare your life. If you dare misbehave, sanctuary of sages.
Brat! You are done for! Still talking tough! Master! Take him down! Rip out his soul! Crush his bones! Let him die without a grave! Master!
Kneel! Show respect to Sir Quinn!
Master! Are you crazy? Why kneel to him? Who the hell is he?
Traitor! Shut up! Do you want to destroy our 1,000-year legacy? This lord is someone we dare not offend at all costs!
I get it. No wonder you were so arrogant. Turns out, you were just a backed-up wimp. How dare you act tough with me? Do you know who my mentors are? They too are Terra Prime's sharpest blades, in charge of all executions, deputy assistant of Central Command, with the power to execute first, wipe you out, just a snap.
Hey! Use short drama logic. These mentors usually come in 5s or even more. Only 2. That is so cheap.
Why do I feel you are getting it? Short drama. Budget matters. Too many people. Wait, little girl. When did you start watching short dramas?
You don't know? I love watching the Dragon Lord.
They're here! Mentors! You are finally here! Mentor! That is the guy! He is a heretic! Mentor! Why aren't you speaking? Take him down! Kill him!
Ha ha! We're late to your aid! Please punish us!
Chief! Quinn!
These are your so-called backers.
Chief Quinn, this man is now a traitor to our guild. We never imagined he'd dare offend you.
Then clean up your own mess.
That is impossible! Mentor! Kill him!
Oh no! The traitor's gone berserk! He is going to self-destruct! Run!
Discuss.
My power! No! I am the chosen one!
Take him away.
Yes.
The Phoenix has arrived!
Let go! Let me go!
Who are you?
No! Don't kill me! I am the Saintess of the Dawn Order, but I defected.
Could you get me a bottle of water, please?
The one that gathers countless transcenders and seeks to devour the multiverse!
The Order found Sierra is the gatekeeper's key. They're sending people to blood sacrifice her force open the portal. Bring in the army devour Terra Prime.
Destiny. It is all destiny.
Advisor Mechanicus.
She is right. Sierra's constitution is indeed the source of chaos. To stop the Dawn Order and save Terra Prime, there is only one way. Sacrifice her seal the portal, and the heretics can never come.
He is lying!
In the Order's archives, I read the records. Though Sierra can open the gate, she also has the power to seal it. No need to sacrifice her. Just use a special technique to channel it. That old sage has an ulterior motive.
She is lying! Take her down!
Why the rush? What are you hiding?
Nonsense! I serve the nation! Since you won't listen, you are on your own!
Since she is here to help, she can stay. You are quite gentle with girls.
Not bad. She has got pretty feathers. She'd make a nice pet.
Thank you for saving me, sir. Hey, sis, do you have a crush on Sir Quinn? The way you got jealous was obvious.
Oh, drama! Who is jealous? Shut up. I am just worried about security.
They're here.
Stay calm! To the shelters!
Leo! Shadow Strike! Mr. Quinn! Your command!
Protect the ladies.
We'll give our lives to keep them safe. Yes, sir?
Where are you going? It is a disaster. We can't fight it.
Disaster? Just some trash causing trouble.
Look! Watch out! Victor!
Cat! Hold on! Energy overload! We're done!
Terra Prime scum! Tremble! This is a gift from the Dawn Order! Perish! Are you
You transcenders don't know it is rude to disturb us.
courting death? Devour him!
Run! It is the Void Tempest!
Boring. Quiet.
One punch! And the rift is sealed!
Vic! You are my hero! That punch was so cool!
Don't get snot on me. This is a limited edition.
Hurry! For the greater good, kill Sierra Frost! Hurry!
Victor!
Yes, leave it to me!
Wait a sec. What is wrong? If this method is so great when the rift was about to blow, why didn't you speak up? You waited until I fixed the rift, then came out to steal the credit.
Victor Quinn, are you questioning me? For the greater good, if you hesitate, you'll be Terra Prime sinner! Hand her over now!
Here. I'd give her to anyone, but you, old man.
You are so selfish! You'll get everyone killed! Keeping this pest alive! What is the point?
Greater good. My fist is the greater good. If to protect this so-called world, I must kill the one I protect, then what is the point of my invincibility?
Yeah!
Drop the act. Your true colors show.
Since you've seen through me, I'll drop the act. Victor, you are indeed strong. Strong enough to make the multiverse fear. But do you really think I dare show up without any preparation?
What junk have you got? Bring it on.
arrogance! This is the seal of eternity, an ancient relic that counters the physically ascended. Victor Quinn! Kneel before me!
It is suppressing my soul.
Can't move! Huh? Victor Quinn, without your brute strength, you are just a mortal now. This woman is mine!
So, what if I am mortal?
Hey! What are you doing, courting death?
Shut up! I am the gatekeeper's key. Since I am special, maybe my power can help you too. You've protected me so many times. Now, let me protect you.
Not bad for a freeloader. Break!
How is that possible? Mortal flesh! How could you break the divine mirror?
You mess with the wrong guy. My fate-given power. You think you can block it?
Fine! Since the mirror can't hold you, let your past bury you! Spirits of the dead, hearken to my call! Across the worlds, my ancient foes manifest!
These are the Dawn Order's elder projections, and that is the Blood Fiend Patriarch. Oh my god, these are the legendary world destroyers.
Victor Quinn, these are the projections of the powerhouses you once defeated. They only have 30% of their true power, but with thousands of them, how can you fight them all? You'll die of exhaustion.
Victor!
Perfect. My hands itch. Miss my old friends.
Still talking tough? Kill him!
Godslayer protocol. Engage.
Impossible! These are projections of multiverse powerhouses!
Too weak. Is that all you got? Not even a warm-up.
He is not human! If I can't have her, then destroy her!
As long as you are safe.
I've drained all her power. She is alive but barely hanging on.
Don't Save your strength. Chief Quinn, listen to me. I read in the Dawn Order's Scrolls Mechanicus, draws power from otherworldly death energy. His greatest fear is Terra Prime's native primeval essence.
Shut up, wench!
You touched my people. Did you ask me first?
Chief Quinn, you must kill him.
Phoenix Maiden!
I wanted to leave you whole. But now, no need.
So you know my weakness. Terra Prime's essence is thin. Where will you find enough primeval essence?
John Chase.
Chief Quinn, how is your situation? Did the shaking stop?
Rally the guilds.
Yeah.
I'll use Terra Prime's might to slay the likes of you.
Leader, Avalon Guild is suppressed. Can't come out. Now, Deputy Chief, will they come?
They're all Avalonians. Avalon is in peril. I believe in them. Director, they're coming.
Leader, so many. Avalon Guild members. Weren't they forbidden? I'll report to command.
No need. Chief Quinn approved of this.
But the rules say cultivators can't be seen by normies. They're just flying out in the open.
This battle is grim. They're all prepared to lay down their lives. Let them see Avalon one last time. See this world. Terra Prime, lends me your power. Follow me. Slay the gods.
Power of the masses? Impossible! How can Terra Primers be so united?
This is Terra Prime. A place you, a homeless cur, will never understand. Formation?
Terra Prime is in peril! Terra Prime is in peril! We must defend it!
You think this can kill me? Since you want to die, let all of Terra Prime burn with me! Portal of Worlds, open now! I have legions of demons! Victor Quinn, you and your sword, can you kill them all?
Victor, there's too many.
Don't be afraid. Close your eyes.
What are you doing?
Count to 3. It'll all be over. Blade, go. Old friend, long time no see. Today, let's have a feast.
That is the Godslayer Blade! Kill him now! Quick!
Ninefold ascension, all things fate perish! Slash!
You think destroying my body means you win? How naive!
What is going on?
He's still alive.
If I can't live, then I'll drag Terra Prime into the maelstrom and take you all with me.
Alert! Terra Prime's magnetic field is collapsing! Spatial coordinates are shifting! We're falling into the maelstrom!
How could this be? Even the Godslayer Blade couldn't kill him.
Damn it! That old maniac wants to take us all down with him!
Chief Quinn.
Stay put.
Oh, Victor! What are you doing? That is the temporal maelstrom! You'll be torn to shreds!
Torn to shreds. There is nothing in this world that can hurt me.
Arrogant! This is power beyond rules. You are still mortal. In the maelstrom, turn to ash.
Victor!
See, Victor Quinn. There is no time, no space. Even celestial archons lose themselves here and perish.
Is this your ultimate move?
Still talking tough. Break.
I am the guardian of these lights. I can't lose. A temporal maelstrom can't hold me.
What power is this? You are holding back. Impossible.
Mechanicus, your biggest mistake was daring to provoke Terra Prime.
Beyond the rules, severing time and space. Who are you? How can you be this strong?
I am from the Terra Prime, Deputy Chief, Victor Quinn.
Sage Mechanicus. That fool is dead, but Terra Prime is still our hunting ground.
John Chase, hand over the Anomaly Bureau's core.
Trima! Chief Quinn will return.
That is the temporal maelstrom. Even Celestials can't escape.
He is just mortal. So... while I was gone, you picked on my men. You too have guts.
Chief Quinn!
Deputy Chief, you are alive! Impossible! That was a temporal cataclysm!
It collapsed, but I fixed it. Was it hard?
Don't be fooled. He just fought a war. He must be at his limit.
Take him down! We'll rule Terra Prime!
Why do people rush to die? Clean up the mess.
Yes! Boss, I got a tip. At Westside Reserve, there is a terrifying energy surge, rumored to be a primordial beast.
Chief Quinn! It is off the charts! Whatever's inside, its energy signature is 10 times higher. It is definitely a beast sovereign!
Could it be the legendary Devourer Titan?
Move. You are blocking the view.
Chief Quinn! Watch out!
Alas, the bamboo on Terra Prime is tender, but lacks spiritual essence. I, the Iron Panda King, crossed over, only to become a national treasure. Still, the perks are pretty good. What kind of monster is this? He has the aura of the heavens. I am done for. I am gonna end up as Braised Panda today.
Well, the Iron Panda. Heard you want to rule Terra Prime.
Big bro, it is a misunderstanding. I am a good citizen. I'll follow you from now on. No salary needed. Just feed me. Who dares mess with you? I'll sit on them.
Take him back. We could use a mascot.
Is it finally over?
The Transcender's gate is closed. Sage Mechanicus is gone. Only small fries remain. John can handle them.
What about you? Is your mission done? I mean, as my bodyguard, will you leave?
I just checked the contract. No end date listed. Also, my monthly pay hasn't come yet. Miss Frost, skipping out.
Money bags. Then, if I don't pay in kind, would that work?
Depends on your offer, Miss Frost.